How to add Instagram feed to Shopify store. So let's start by integrating the first thing, which is Instagram feed. So we have to go for these applications and then either you can search for it here. I recommend to go with the all recommended, and then you will need to go with this Shopify app store, and this will directly take you to their official app store where you need to search for Instagram feed. And once you search for this, you will be taken to this page where, as you can see, we have a lot of options right here. But the best one that I recommend to go with is the Insta feed, which is Instagram feed. It has more downloads than other of them. So we will go with this, which is also has built for Shopify tag here. So tap on the install button and this will take you to back your Shopify, where tap on the install application on the top right corner, and this will take few seconds depending on your internet speed, and this will automatically install InstaFeed in the application section on your left hand side. And as you can see, you will be taken to this page where you have to tap on this connect with Instagram. So tap on this and now you need to log in with your professional Instagram store. So tap on this allow button and then tap on allow again. Once you do so, this will load up a new page where, as you can see, we have successfully added Instagram feed to our Shopify store. Right here, this will show you your account to which it is connected right now. If you want to change it, you can tap on the change account and log in with some other account in which you want to do this process. Otherwise, you can also have this option of disconnect. If you are not interested in InstaFeed anymore, you can also go with that. Otherwise, if I scroll down, the first thing is we have the feed title, which is saying leave empty if you don't want a title. One post click. So one post click, you have to make sure to set it open pop-up or show product. If you go with the go to Instagram, this is going to be very annoying for the customer and you might lose a customer which is about to buy your product. All of these options that are here right now will decide whether a customer will going to buy a product or not, because it is just like a user interface. So you have to keep in mind to go with simple as possible. In the layout, you can go with the grid, which will be looking very good. In the number of rows, you can go with 5, and configuration set it to auto. Once you are done with all of these, tap on the save feed and you are good to go. So that was the process of how you can add Instagram feed to Shopify store.